Suppose you're given integral from 0 to 1 x squared x, and you're integrating some function. What do you get if you change to dx dy? Okay. Solution. dy here means you actually have y equals to x, y equals to x squared. Those are easy graphs, right? Y equal to x is this, and y equal to x squared is this. And then since your x bounds are 0 to 1, you're really looking at the portion of the graph between 0 and 1. And they happen to meet at 1. So in this bound, from 0 to 1, you're looking at this graph, and what you're doing is you're starting at this graph, which is this one. This is y equal to x squared. You start at here, and you end at y equal to x, you end here. So you begin at this curve, you end at that curve, going upwards. So that's the domain that this integral is done over. Alright, when you try to change to dx dy, that means you're trying to paint the same region going rightwards. Let's try that. Fx comma y. Alright, what's the minimum value of y?
0.
0. What's the highest value of y for this domain? See, this is 1 comma 1. Okay. It's 1. I probably, if this was more complicated, probably the thing that you want to do is to figure out when they meet by setting them equal to each other. And when you set them equal to each other, you find the solution by solving the equation that x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 are the 2 points that they meet. So they meet at 0, they meet at 1, and if you plug in 0 and 1 into this function, you get 0, 0 and 1, 1. Right? So that's why I know that they meet at 1, 1. But usually for simple things like this, you don't even have to do all this work. Just know that that's where they meet. Okay? Alright, so 0 to 1 is your minimum and maximum value of y. So these are values, whereas this thing here should be curve to curve, right? So you have to describe this curve and that curve. So if you're painting rightwards, you start at this curve and you end at this curve, right? So let's try to do that. First, how do you write this? What's the equation for this line? This one. Okay, y equal to x, but is that what you write here?
No.
No, it should be x equal to y, right? So you just put y. Because that really means x equal to y. Alright, what about this one? I know the equation for this. This is y equal to x squared. But you can't use this. What should you do? Solve for x. So you square root of y equals to x, and therefore x equal to square root of y, and therefore what you put over here is square root of y. That's it. That was a simple question.